What's up YouTube? So on today's episode we're going to review the ARC 200 by ARC Captain. I'm going to let you know what all comes inside and how to hook it up to your welding machine. You got your chipping hammer and your brush. You got your stinger or electric holder, which is pretty good, real durable. I got the little strap they connect to your welding machine, the 220 adapter, and the ground clamp, and we're gonna hook it up. We're gonna run it on a 110 today. Here we have the electric holder or stinger. I got the cable. It's pretty nice and thick, so you know it's real durable. And this is your positive, so you want to come and get your positive side, and you put it in the positive output, and then this is your clamp right here, which again, it's real good, it's real nice. Like I just put on your workpiece, and then it's your negative, so you just connect it, and that's how you connect it for a stick rod. And then we just gotta turn it on. So here it is on, and I have at 85. And now right here you can turn it down, so you can come up with it, and it goes all the way to 200 amps. Or don't bring it all the way down to 20 is the minimum. So we're gonna weld on, we're gonna try it on a 7018. These are all 332s. So I'm gonna run it at about 85. See how it is. Pretty low, but like I said, today we're gonna run it on a 110. So we do stuff here at home, small projects. It's a pretty good bead, and it's only at 85. As you can see, I'm using 110. So we're gonna go ahead and do a couple more. This is just a little quick. I was trying to do it with one hand, but I couldn't do it. So I'm gonna try and see if I could get some arc shots.